Senate President Francis Escudero's decision to press the pause button on the construction of the Senate's new digs in Taguig has drawn support from among his colleagues and peers in the upper chamber. Senator Amy Marcos seconded Senator Escudero's move, saying a review of the contractor's work and balance sheet is in order without putting a finger on who to blame. Likewise, Senate Committee Chair on Accounts Alan Peter Cayetano also urged for an inquiry on the contractor going way over budget on the building construction.
Yung desisyon ng aming bagong SP, si Cheese Escudero, aaminin ko, hindi ako nakatutok sa bagong building kasi parang nahihiya ako lumipat sa bagong building ngayon na naghahagilap ng pagkain, ng pera, ng hanap buhay ang taong bayan. Tapos may magarang building yung Senate, parang nahihiya ako.
Ang hiningi ko lang po, let's not speculate. If there are 3 words I want to use, first is review. Nagre-review lang po tayo, nagre-review. Secondly, it should be factual, di ba? Hindi pwede po dito ang suspicion, speculation, assumption, akala. It should be factual. And number 3, independent. Di ba? So just because you told me it's 100 million for this, that doesn't mean na automatically we will believe it. Kailangan factual.